Hello, my name is Maxwell Moots. Um, I am a student at Columbia College Chicago, majoring in film. My primary focus at my college is film and video editing, and that is where the majority of my files that I've had recovered reside. I chose secure data recovery services because I had read the reviews online and they seemed pretty good, and I felt a good sense of trust in the company. The issue I had was the reading performance on one of my external hard drives was failing, and the hard drive would not show up on my computer in any form. The type of device that I brought in was a Seagate 4 to 5 terabyte external hard drive. The kinds of files that I wanted to recover the most were film and video editing project files, as well as video and audio files themselves. My experience with the account representative was very good. The response time was good, and so was the communication. They were able to recover my files. Thank you.